Maria, we've been talking about that severe weather. How's it looking right now?
You know, right now we're not looking at a whole lot going on radar, but we do have that flood watch in place, and that's where we actively have some showers taking shape. Hunt County towards the northeast, that's where we could accumulate 2 to 4 inches of rain. On top of that, we're looking ahead to this evening and tonight when we do have that potential for strong to severe storms. A slight risk is in place that does include DFW areas along Wichita Falls, Archer City, close to the Red River there, northwest of DFW. That's where there's a level 3 out of 5 or an enhanced risk. That's where we are more likely to see some of the strong to severe storms. Again, up to quarter-size hail, 60+ mile-per-hour wind gusts will be possible. At the moment, this is where we're looking at the active radar. This is mostly in far northeast, North Texas and in East Texas. Even in Texarkana, looking at a flood concern there at the moment. But again, we're looking ahead to this evening when the strong to severe stuff moves in. So let's go ahead and take a look here. This is Wednesday around 3. Again, we could see some scattered activity, maybe some showers, isolated storms, but this is going to be on and off. This is not going to be for everyone. This is going to be coverage of about 40%. We're looking ahead now towards 9, and this is when we're looking at here. This line of showers and storms that's going to be brought on by a front. Ahead of that, we could see some activity along the Red River, and that's where we are going to be looking at for the potential of some gusty winds and some hail. As the evening progresses, the hail threat lowers and the flood threat goes up. So this is now about 10 or 11. This is when it makes it into the Metroplex. It'll swing through between 9 and about midnight is when I need you to be prepared if you're in the Metroplex. And if you're just to the east of DFW, I'm talking Kaufman, Rockwall, Hunt County. We're looking at about midnight for the most active and the strongest storms to move through that area. Around 2 or 3 in the morning, a lot of this will move southeast of DFW, and then we're still looking at some scattered activity behind that. As this front comes in, it's going to help push a lot of the lingering showers and storms out. This will happen between 4 and about 6 in the morning, meaning that morning drive tomorrow could be a wet one, especially if we're looking at accumulations like this, 2 to 3 inches possible across Dallas and Tarrant County, Denton, Collin, Rockwall, Kaufman County included in that as well. The higher totals are going to be found northeast of DFW, which is why that flood watch is in place. Again, a few isolated higher amounts will be possible with this as well. I want to take you out to Fair Park right now. Now that we've talked about the risk, I want to show you what's going on there right now. 84 degrees. It's cloudy. It's humid, and it's going to remain, well, warm until we see that front come through. 84 right now. We are looking at Fort Worth now. You can see a few more breaks in the clouds, temperature of about 85 degrees. And at DFW Airport right now, 87 degrees, but it feels like 94. That's just a little sign there that we're definitely dealing with some of that humidity. Our winds are also picking up out of the southwest, anywhere between 10 to about 20 miles per hour. After the front comes through, tomorrow morning, we're going to notice the temperatures that are really not going to climb as high. It's not going to be a drastic drop in temperatures, but we will notice the drier air in place by Thursday afternoon. Temperature of 82 then, 83 on Friday, 70s this weekend with 50s for the morning lows Saturday and Sunday. We will be in the 80s next week. Another round of rain looking possible by the end of next week. But overall, after today, we're really starting to settle into a more fall-like pattern with temperatures that are closer to the normal for this time of the year, Tashara.
Okay, Marielle, thank you.